Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Paulina. In this video explain about language and the brain material. Okay. Introduction and neurolinguistic. The feeling of physiolinguistic and naturalistic aspects, the process of understanding, process and producing language in the brain. Neurolinguistic specifically examining the natural mechanism and biological foundation underlying language ability. Brain autonomy in language processing. Left hemisphere general more demand for language process logic analysis and sequencing. Right hemisphere more involvement in holistic processing, emotion, music and fashion recognition. And then brocal area in the front lobe regulation speech production, and then working area in the temporal lobe responsive for understand language meaning. Articulate face cling connect brogans and working areas. Motor context control muscling movements for speech articulation. And then language comparison production process. The Keswin working model describing the stages of language information processing. Number 1. Information from hearing or vision or process in the respective cortical areas. Number 2. This is information is descent working areas to be translated for meaning. Number 3. Signal are releasing through the articulate facials to broadcast areas. Number 4. Broca areas send commands to the motor context to produce speech articulation. And then language distort aphasia generally causing by brain inducing such and stroke or hand trauma mindset. Broken aphasia speech production is impressive and not blown, but language comparison remains relatively instant. Next, working as pen speak is pleasing but menacing. Also planning for comprehension. Condition aphasia causing by damage to the articulate facial loss that passing through visual repetition but comprehension is general perception. Other symptom allergy, the flu reading aggravation, the flooding writing anemia, the flooding naming object nam mid-language impairment tip of the straw phenomenon, the floating reeling of snowboard, malefrage, incorrect using of word that sound similar. Next, developments brain plasticity and multilingual ability. Critical periods. The optimal time for language acquisition, particularly during Clayton. And then to be included at the end of the video. Conclusion. Language is processed in distributed manner with the brain, primary, and the left hemisphere involving a network of speech areas. The mark shows that a restriction in facial language discourse depending on the collection and severity. And understanding and relationship between the brain and language is crucial for developing language disorder driving educational method and linguistic research. Thank you.